Hello everyone, welcoming you to Sourav Sir's classes. And today we are looking at the IIT JAM 2024 Economics paper question number 38. And this is also multiple correct choice question. Okay. So f is a function from R2 to R be defined in this manner. Then which of the following is correct? Simultaneous limit 0, the first partial derivative with respect to x at 0 comma 0 is 0 if xy is not continuous, so on and so forth. Okay, so let me write down the function. So fxy is equals to x square y divided by x to the power 4 plus y square when xy not equals to 0 comma 0. Now if you recall that if we have to prove that limit does not exist, then we can simply do that by choosing a path, right? Like for example y equals to mx or y equals to mx square, and if we see that the value of the limit is changing for different paths, then we will say that the limit does not exist. Correct? Like in this exam, in this question, for example, if you choose the path y equals to mx square, okay, that means you are approaching the 0 comma 0 point at which you want to evaluate the limit by this path y equals to mx square. So that means something like this. So this is your independent plane, this is your 0 comma 0 point. You are approaching this point 0 comma 0 along this path. Okay, this is what you're doing. All right, and you want to evaluate, so limit xy tending to 0 comma 0 f of x comma y is basically evaluating limit x tends to 0 function of x comma mx, right? So if you replace mx square in the expression, what are you getting? X square into mx square divided by mx square whole square plus x to the power 4. So that is basically limit x tends to 0 m into x to the power 4 m square x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4. So the x to the power 4 value will cancel out and you're left with the answer of m by 1 plus m square, right? So that means for different values of m, this limit value that you have got will differ, right? Like for example, if you choose y equals to x square, you will be converging to one limit value. If you choose y equals to 2x square, you will be converging to a different limit value, right? Now this cannot be true because for the existence of limit, the idea is that no matter whichever path you choose to come to the point that you want to find limit at, the value of the limit should remain unchanged. So this expression that you have got m by 1 plus m square, this varies with choice of m. So that means this simultaneous limit xy tending to 0 comma 0 fxy does not exist. So that means the first option is wrong. Okay. However, if you'll recall that if limit does not exist, that means fxy is not continuous at 0 comma 0, right? that is automatically implied. If the limit does not exist, then there is no question for continuity. This is the exact option that is given to you as option number C. So option number C is correct. Okay, A is wrong, C is correct. Alright, now coming to option number B. So it is the partial derivative evaluated at point 0, 0. So what is the definition of the partial derivative fx? It is basically limit h tends to 0 function of x plus h comma y minus function of x comma y divided by h. Correct? So we need to evaluate fx at point 0, 0. So that will be limit h tends to 0 function of h comma 0 minus function of 0 comma 0 divided by h. Correct? So if you replace the values, function of h comma 0 will be 0, function of 0 comma 0 is given to be 0 divided by h, so the answer is 0. So the partial derivative with respect to x at the 0 comma 0 point is 0. So that means option number B is correct. Okay. And the moment you see that option number B is correct, option number D is automatically incorrect because it says that both fx and fy do not exist. But you just proved for option B that fx at 0, 0 not only exists but it's equals to 0. So option number D is automatically becoming incorrect. Okay. So for this question, there are two correct options, option B and option C. Thank you.